Bone Marrow Aspirate Concentrate, BMAC, is our cellular procedure. A lot of people come in wanting stem cells. That's the buzzword around town, on the internet. That's what everyone's looking for. Truthfully, there is no legal stem cell procedure here in the US. Cord blood, placental tissue, amniotic products, FDA said can't use them. Same thing with culturing stem cells out. For a procedure to be considered a stem cell procedure, stem cells should be the #1 ingredient on the ingredient list. And in bone marrow and adipose tissue, it is not. So technically it's not, but there are stem cells in there at various concentrations. And so bone marrow aspirate concentrate, why would you use that? When you break a bone, that's a substance that ekes out and heals broken bones. So it's a healing substance in your body. It has a high concentration of healing and growth factors and milieu in there that can help facilitate the healing process. Our BMAC procedure, we also combine with our high concentrated PRP, and that procedure creates most amount of inflammation, most amount of post-procedural pain, but people do really, really well. Anecdotally, we see that patients do much better with these procedures than they do PRP procedures, as far as better for moderate to severe injuries than maybe PRP alone is.